Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet sunflower coaster. You can also use it as a tray, a little tray for your notions. This is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook, and we will start with the magic ring. We will first chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the ring, chain 1, and this combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet. We will make 11 more so that we have a total of 12. So let's do the second double crochet. We have 2 now. Yarn over, pull the yarn through the ring and pull through 2 and through the remaining 2. We have now 12 double crochets, including the first combination of stitches, and we will close the ring now and join the work by slip stitching into the first stitch. We will chain 1 and into the same stitch we will make 1 single crochet, chain 1, and again this will count as our first double crochet from this second round, and into the same stitch we will make another double crochet. This round will be an increase round because we will make in each stitch 2 double crochets, so at the end of the round we should have 24 double crochets. So we have done here 2. Let's go into the next one, make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and so on until the end of the round. I have 2 more double crochets to make in this last stitch. One and 2, and now we should join the work, but first we will cut the yarn and we will join it like this. On the back, as you can see, by starting with this combination of stitches instead of chain 2, we have a seamless join for both rounds. So this is our end and start of the next round, but it's seamless here. We cannot see it. Let's join the new color. We will make a knot first, and we can start in any stitch across the round, and we will make one double crochet. So for this we will yarn over into the same stitch. We will make a second double crochet, and into the next one we will make only one double crochet, and on this round we will increase with 12 more stitches. So at the end we should have a total of 36 stitches. So we will continue into the next stitch by making 2 double crochets, and into the next one only one, and so on to one until we reach the end. I will now join my work by slip stitching into this first stitch, and we will start the next round. We will chain one, and we will work the first double crochet, which is a combination of stitches. Instead of working into the loop here, into the stitch above, we will work it through the double crochet from below. So we have chained one, and now we go through this double crochet from below and make one single crochet, chain one, and this is our first, this counts as our first double crochet. We will go into the next stitch and make 2 double crochets, one, two, go into the next one, into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet, and instead of going into the next loop here, we will go through the double crochet from below, the one corresponding to the next stitch, and make 1 double crochet. Let's do this one more time. We will go into the next stitch and make 2 double crochets, one, two, into the next one, 1 double crochet, and we will work the next double crochet through the double crochet from below. Over, so we will continue across this round in the same way. Into the next stitch we will make 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, and this double crochet we will work it through the double crochet from below until the end. I have left only one iteration for this round, so we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have to make the last one. We have 12 in total. So 2 double crochets here, and only one into our last stitch. Now we will join the work by slip stitching into this first stitch, and our round is complete. For the next one, we will slip stitch into the double crochet from below. So this is our double crochet from below, like this. Chain one. We will skip the next stitch, the one corresponding to the next double crochet from below, and we will work 2 double crochets into each of the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and into the next one, 2 more, 1, and 2. Into the next one, we will work through the double crochet from below, again with a slip stitch. Chain 1, and our motif is beginning to show. We will continue in the exact same way. Let's do this one more time. Skip the next stitch and into the next 2 make 2 double crochets in each of the stitches. Two, and 2 more here. You will slip stitch into the double crochet from below, and chain 1. Let's do this one more time. So we will skip the next one and work into the second stitch, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and into the next one 2 more, and into the next double crochet from below, slip stitch, and chain 1. And we will continue in the same way across this round until we reach the end. I am almost at the end of this round. I have left only 2 double crochets, 1 and we will join the work and cut the yarn. We will join the work from the back now. So we will go into this stitch and pull the yarn through this one, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Our coaster is ready. This is how it looks. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!